Do you know when you call love, when to become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill Switch. My name is Ayush and today we are in Hyderabad. So we are in Gachibowli and I'm new to this area. So just sit back, relax, enjoy the view. We are heading towards Golconda Fort and this is going to be a daily observation video. So whatever I am seeing on the road, I will be talking to you guys about that. Time right now it's around 5:50 p.m. It's a Sunday evening, so you guys will see that there is not much traffic on the road. The road seems to be empty, especially the street seems to be very clean. Lots of greenery on both the sides of the road, especially even on the middle of the road. Pretty clean, pretty green, and an empty road. We are easily able to go between 60 to 70 kilometers per hour on this road. So how many of you guys already know about the Golconda Fort? You can comment down below. I have been to Golconda in the year 2019-2020. I'm just going towards that area today as I have some work that side. So you can see the beautiful infrastructure of Hyderabad. Unlike Bangalore, there's no traffic. Traffic management is really good. So I am making video in Gachibowli. I've been to other places as well, and I really like the infrastructure of Hyderabad. It is catching up to Bangalore, and I think in the next few years it will be even much better than Bangalore. In some matters. Slight amount of traffic in front of me. I think I will be going straight from there. And again, even when there is a bit of traffic, so you can see that the traffic is pretty much moving and you actually don't get stuck in the traffic. So I think we are going straight. That's the Honda Elevate. One thing that I am seeing here in Hyderabad as compared to Bangalore is that there is no pillion helmet over here. I think pillion helmet is not mandatory in Hyderabad, and I've also seen a lot of people not wearing their helmet. So in my view, okay, so that was I don't know what that guy was up to, but okay, that is rash driving what he just did. So yeah, I was just talking about the helmet thing. I've seen a lot of people not wear helmet here. I think today I am seeing people wearing, but yesterday when I was out, I was near Golconda Fort and I saw people not wearing helmet. So that is something a bit different that I'm seeing from Bangalore. So beautiful city, a very nice city. Infrastructure is really good, especially on this side of Hyderabad. I have also been to old Hyderabad. I won't comment on that because that was some years ago, but right now this part of Hyderabad looks really well made. The streets are clean, it's well maintained, traffic is well managed. The average speed at which you go as compared to other cities, that is also really good. continue. I think a bit of traffic in front of me, but I think this traffic would be this would be a moving traffic, so I don't think we need to stop anywhere. We'll be taking this flyover again. Let me just cross all these vehicles. So that's some care hospital, Hyderabad, and then on my left it is some mall and multiplex, Western Prime. Arete hospitals, people who stay in Hyderabad might be knowing this. I think that's the ORR. I'm really not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. So guys, I think I'll try to keep this video as short as possible. What I wanted to show in this video, a point of view of how Hyderabad looks on a Sunday evening, how the Gachibowli and nearby areas look on a Sunday evening. It is going to be it for this video. I would really wanted to make this video really short. So there's a signal. I'm going to be stopping at this signal and meet you guys tomorrow in another vlog. Bye bye.